Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss cognitive science, an interdisciplinary field dedicated to understanding the mind and its processes. Cognitive science merges insights from psychology, neuroscience, artificial intelligence, linguistics, philosophy, anthropology, and more to unravel the complexities of cognition. Today, we will explore the foundational concepts, key studies, and the profound implications of cognitive science. Defining cognitive science. What is cognitive science? Cognitive science is the study of the mind and its processes, including perception, memory, reasoning, language, and emotion. It seeks to understand how information is represented, processed, and transformed in the brain and other systems. Historical background. The term cognitive science emerged in the 1970s, although its roots trace back to earlier philosophical inquiries and developments in artificial intelligence. Key figures include Noam Chomsky, who revolutionized the study of language, and Herbert Simon, a pioneer in artificial intelligence. Core concepts and approaches. Information processing. Cognitive science views the mind as an information processor, akin to a computer. Mental processes are seen as computations involving symbolic representations and algorithms. Representation and computation. Mental representations, such as concepts and schemas, and computational processes, such as problem solving and decision making, are central to understanding cognition. Interdisciplinary nature. Cognitive science is inherently interdisciplinary, integrating methods and theories from various fields to create a comprehensive understanding of the mind. Key areas of study. Perception and action. How do we perceive the world around us and act upon it? Research in this area examines sensory processing, motor control, and the integration of perception and action. Memory and learning. This area explores how information is encoded, stored, and retrieved. It also investigates learning mechanisms and how experiences shape our cognitive abilities. Language and communication. Cognitive scientists study the structure, acquisition, and use of language, seeking to understand how linguistic capabilities emerge and function. Reasoning and problem solving. Research in this domain focuses on how we reason, make decisions, and solve problems, including the heuristics and biases that influence our thinking. Influential studies and theories. Chomsky's universal grammar. Noam Chomsky proposed that the ability to acquire language is innate, governed by a universal grammar that underlies all human languages. Simon and Newell's general problem solver. Herbert Simon and Alan Newell developed the General Problem Solver, GPS, an early artificial intelligence program that modeled human problem solving. Marr's levels of analysis. David Marr introduced a framework for understanding cognitive processes at three levels: computational, what does the system do, algorithmic, how does it do it, and implementational, how is it physically realized. Applications and implications. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Cognitive science informs AI and machine learning, leading to advances in natural language processing, computer vision, and autonomous systems. Human-computer interaction. Understanding cognitive processes helps design intuitive and efficient interfaces, enhancing user experiences with technology. Education and learning technologies. Insights from cognitive science guide the development of educational tools and strategies that enhance learning and retention. Limitations and challenges. Complexity of cognitive processes. Cognitive processes are complex and multifaceted, making it challenging to create comprehensive models that capture all aspects of cognition. Interdisciplinary integration. Integrating diverse perspectives and methodologies from different disciplines can be difficult but is essential for a holistic understanding. Ethical considerations. As cognitive science advances, ethical considerations regarding AI, privacy, and the use of cognitive technologies become increasingly important. Conclusion: cognitive science offers a rich and nuanced understanding of the mind, drawing from a multitude of disciplines to uncover the intricacies of human cognition. As we continue to explore and expand this field, we gain deeper insights into the fundamental nature of thought, perception, and behavior. Thank you for joining this journey through cognitive science. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/@ISCompanion.